Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ban someone from a page on Facebook. Of course, that works the same for a group. So first of all, of course, you would like to have a Facebook application on your phone. So if you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in at your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here you would like to go and launch your Facebook application as you should, as of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here that will actually be your home/main screen, and here you will find the posts that you may be interested on, the posts of your friends, the posts of the groups, pages that you like, that you followed, that you interested on, and even the posts like ads or sponsored, and even your own posts. Here you will find it on your home screen. So if you want actually to kick or to ban someone from a page or group, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner, then go to pages or groups, whatever you want. Then as you can see, if you have a page, just go and click on that. For me, I don't have a page, so I'm going to show you as groups. So just go here and click for me at your groups, then choose this group, and here all I need to do, just go and click at manage. Of course, you will have the same for page. So as you can see here, I'm just going to scroll down, and here I can even post, delete, or share the group, or I can go and click at group settings. Here, of course, if I scroll down here a bit, if you did find here the people that join in your page or group, that's okay. If you didn't, just scroll up again, go here, let's just see, where is it? And as you can see here, of course, we have the badges, and let's just go back. We didn't find what we want here. So yeah, as you can see here, just go and click on people. So for me, I am the only member here, but if you want actually to ban people on your group or page, you will find actually them here on people. Of course, if you know them by username, just go and type their username in search, then go and click at the user that you want to ban, click as ban, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.